that outbreak from Fort Detrick came by way of, the biosafety level 4. So, it looks like Wuhan. So, and that work I did was 1999. My job was to teach Ebola to infect human cells without killing them. A virus cannot live without a human cell. So I taught them how to infect human cells, those very cell lines that we use in our vaccines, vero monkey kidney cells, in Pediarix, in the thing we give, the influenza vaccines, polio vaccines are grown in vero monkey kidney cells. We're spreading HIV. We're spreading coronaviruses. We're giving them to 2-month-olds. And again, here's Harold Varmus. He was the head of the NIH in 1999, and he implemented the xenotransplantation program. That means inject people with foreign tissue. And it included the xenografts for cancer research, like we talked earlier, and gene therapy. So he also started the NIH vaccine program. So here you are. I mean, and he said that consequently, the recipient of the xenotransplant is potentially at risk for infection with infectious agents already known to be transmissible from animals to humans, as well as infectious agents which may become transmissible only through xenotransplantation. That is how Ebola, then in 2014, Ebola used not to infect human cells, and now it spread through the air. And there's a beautiful book by Christian doctor Kent Brantley and his wife Amber called Called for Life. That was the doctor who got sick from Ebola, got infected. His doctor, John Fankhauser, they're in Liberia, and that doctor happens to be the head of Ventura County Healthcare, where I'm sitting right now, John Fankhauser. What he did was he gave that doctor anti-malarial drugs, the very ones that the FDA, until Trump overruled it, the hydroxychloroquine, the Plaquenil, which is fabulous for clearing. So what he did was he used good old-fashioned medicine, clear all the other pathogens that would compromise Dr. Brantley's immune system, pump him full of salines because the cells would blow apart and you die of diarrhea and things like that. Keep the cells from blowing up. Let that strong, healthy young man recover. Get the infection and fight it. Keep him well with all the plants, with all the vitamin C, with everything you can send. Do infusions of nutrients for him to keep him strong. And it's an easy to read book, and it's a simple book, but I think what you'll see in it is the plague of corruption. And